All right, folks. Just a quick update, real quick. We've gone ahead and took the cutoff wheel and removed the excess, trimmed it off. You can see the difference. You know, you can see light right through it, right? So it was easy to see where the line was at. Now we get really close, not too close, but real close. Couple spots we left a little bit extra. I want you to see that down there. But this is what we're looking for. We use this as a trim line because we didn't put the model or the buck on a flat surface and put a trim edge around it. We're using the bottom of the model itself as our trim edge. But and that's fine as long as you don't go hog wild with your grinding. I'm trying to set this thing up so you can see it. What you're looking for is you're going to grind the part down just till you see this line right here, which would be the masking tape. The difference between the color of the part and the color of the model, mold, whatever. That white line. And as soon as you see that white line, you want to stop. No more grinding down. And then you continue around. That's where we're going to, if we need to, wedge something in there and blow air in to separate the part from the mold or the model. But I just wanted to bring you that. That's what you're looking for, is that line. As soon as you see that line, stop grinding down, because then you're gonna be you know, getting the part all out of whack, and you don't want that. So I just thought I'd bring that to you. Once we pop this thing, you know, I get it all trimmed up and stuff. I'll drill a hole and I'll show you with the air, and God willing, it'll pop right off of there. So that's it. We'll bring you some more in a few minutes. See you guys.